All about weight loss tea. Weight loss tea is an excellent way to supplement any existing weight loss plan with a simple, quick and easy supplement that can be adapted to any lifestyle or meal plan. Although it may not be a miracle cure for obesity that many people want, and advertisers want you to believe, it is a very healthy beverage that, combined with a healthy lifestyle and dietary choices, can be an important part of any effort to reduce weight. Can drinking tea, of all things, really help you lose weight? Weight loss tea benefits. In addition to the benefits advertised, when it comes to weight loss, glasses to lose weight can offer several benefits that are not usually advertised on the package. One top-selling detox tea weight loss product is called the red tea Detox. Regular consumption of weight loss tea every day does not help to lose weight, but also improves the digestive system, stimulating regular and healthy bowel movements. Slimming tea is also very effective and reliable when it comes to controlling blood sugar levels. As you know, if a person has high blood sugar levels, they may be hungry most of the time and encourage them to eat more. Therefore, maintain regular blood sugar levels with regular consumption of tea to lose weight, such as green tea. This will help you succeed in losing weight. Start taking tea to lose weight now. There are many ways to try it. You can take it on tea bags, fresh leaves, or as supplements that are effective. Could the real secret to weight loss be something as simple as tea?